E aí, galerinha, sejam todos bem-vindos a mais uma gameplay de Red Dead Redemption 2. Peço para todos que estiverem chegando, deixe o like, não vai custar nada, participe da comunidade do Discord. Participe da comunidade do Discord. E a galera que estiver vendo pela Twitch, meu canal principal se chama Ronaldo Carlos Televisão Gameplay. Beleza? Anotado? Ronaldo Carlos Televisão Gameplay. Bom, galera, hoje nós vamos continuar as aventuras de Arthur Morgan, que é uma história. Onde nós parou aqui no último episódio, vai ser a treta das famílias aqui, Braithwaite e os... como que fala? Os Braithwaite e os Ray. Vai conhecer uma fazenda Caliga na última parte. Aí vai dar continuidade aqui explorando essa região. Bom, o que nos espera hoje? Deixa eu ver. Hoje nós vamos resolver uma missão no mistério aqui que deixamos para trás de Valentine. Fazer algumas missões secundárias. Para o jogo carregar, tem muita coisa para fazer aqui. Esperar carregar aqui. O jogo carregou.
There he is. Don't look back, dressed as the law.
Preciso de mana e grana.
Morning, Dave. Arthur. This sulking is becoming very tiresome.
Everything's tiresome to you these days. You've barely touched me in weeks.
What do you want from me?
To be treated with some
Estão discutindo.
and affection. All them out there, they're laughing at me.
You think this is the way to a man's affection? Moping and pestering all the damn day?
Oh, I can do a lot worse than that.
Is that a threat? Another great way to a man's affection.
Oh, shut up.
Gladly. Hey there.
Morning, Arthur.
Estão discutindo a...
What's
the wind more.
doesn't change?
Oh, shut
Hey.
up, Arthur.
How do you do?
Hey! There's enough fools out there to deserve shooting, you know.
What do you mean?
I know it's you keeps killing innocent people.
Ain't nobody innocent in this world, Miss Grimshaw. You know that.
Use your brain, Mr. Morgan. We don't have time for you to keep acting crazy.
Vamos fazer essa missão com o Lenny.
Ladies?
Hi there. Hello.
Hey, get up. Haven't received anything from you in a while, Mr. Morgan. I will. Fine, but make sure you get a good price for it. Morgan.
Ô, Zéia.
All right. Hey there, Charles. Morning, Arthur. Hey, boy.
Ok aí.
Hello, boy. Morning, Arthur. You okay, boy?
Ok, boy.
My lady.
Morning, Arthur.
Arthur,
Yes, kid.
you got a lot on?
O que é, Lenny?
Just hunting for all this hillbilly gold that Dutch and Hosea seem to think is out there just waiting to be stolen. Why?
I got something.
Ok.
Be good.
Yeah?
Yeah, I was in Rhodes talking to some of the colored folk. They said there's a gang of fools holed up in the swamps east of here. Who
Todos.
think their war ain't never ended.
E acho que a guerra dele nunca acabou numa
Apparently,
guerra
it's
civil.
still raging in these fools' minds 30 years later.
Okay.
That ain't my point. These ignorant fools are weapon dealers. And in their dealing, sometimes sit on a
Às
decent
vezes
pile
as
of
vendas
cash.
ainda uma boa
Yeah,
pilha
been
de
selling
dinheiro.
weapons to Cuba and South America for years. Anyway, the old boy I was talking
Enfim,
to
Lenny, olha
reckon
lá.
there might be a bunch of cash just sitting around.
Largada por aí.
Maybe a nice stash.
Se não tiver, talvez um
Just a
estoque
bunch
de
of
armas.
crazies, Gardner?
Só com um
Exactly.
bando de coisas.
Well,
Exato. Bom,
worth taking a look at least, isn't it?
That was my thinking. Said it was at some place called Shady Belle, deep in the woods.
Okay.
Shady Belle. Ok, certo.
All right then, let's go rob some fools.
Still there.
Hello.
Vamos lá, vamos trabalhar então.
Hey.
Hi.
Let's go, boy.
Come on, it's this way.
Like it.
On me.
Morning, Arthur.
Marca tá aí sem fazer nada no acampamento.
Yep. these crazies before.
You been drinking again?
No. Well,
No.
yes, but no, that's not how I might have met them. I think some of them harangued me and Shady when we were coming back with supplies.
Shady on the
Mrs.
name.
Adams.
Aham.
And Mrs.
Sim, a
Adams
senhorita
just
sabe.
fine. More than fine, actually. She's terrified. But I got a notion these fellers is one and the same.
Yeah, we won't find no shortage of angry peckerwood idiots in the state of Lemoyne. Hey! That's for sure.
Calma aí,
Is
cara.
it really that different in this state? We haven't come far.
It seems like it is.
These boys got a manner about them. I haven't
No.
necessarily noticed.
All respect, Mr. Morgan. You wouldn't notice. Might call you a nigger lover. They see us riding like this. But most of it is a glance or a
A
word.
gente junto, né?
And after that, a visit in the night.
Out west,
Uma visita na casa no
West
oeste,
is
é.
out west. And you're all who you are. Right? Decent
Fazenda
folks.
Braithwaite. Ó,
Some places down here.
deixa eu ver.
They judge different.
well, then, guess it can't be so easy for you, Lenny. Sorry you're caught up in this.
Well, I guess
Bom,
their
acho que
goals
os
still
outros
shine,
deles ainda brilham.
and their guns still shoot. So I'm game for robbing any and every
Vamos
one
lá.
of these bastards for all they got.
Okay, then.
Plus,
Ok.
it beats being lynched back in Blackwater with all of you by my side.
I guess it does.
All right.
Que poeira, hein?
Feels like we're close. It's a rundown old plantation house down in the bayou somewhere.
Let's take it slow. Be cautious. If, like you say, these crazies are sitting on weapons, we're gonna wanna strategize a little before.
Primeira vez a gente vai na região aqui.
Getting shot at.
Of course. They said find the old battlefield and keep on going.
Well, we got some wrecked old Civil War weaponry. Now where are the wrecked old Civil War holdouts?
Vamos para o cemitério aqui, campo de guerra, né?
They're supposed to use it as an outpost. Heard they got men going between here and the big house all day.
Okay.
Look at this field. Imagine getting caught up in a fight like this.
Uma luta como essa, né?
I don't care to. Hold those reins in. Let's just take a look around the place.
I hear you. It look like anyone's here.
We don't know that for sure. Let's have a...
Calma aí, Lenny.
Well, we're going close, but you'll need a mount. Hear that? Someone's on the track. Look there, the wagon,
Let's see where he's going. You're on me now.
right behind.
Okay, fella. Let's keep our distance. Just two fellers out on the road.
He could turn off at any time. Should we move up on him?
Ah, uma igreja, coisa. Ah, você perdeu a carroça. Durante a missão não pode.
Hear that? Someone's on the track. Look there, a wagon,
Let's see where he's
A
going.
carroça deles.
You're on me now.
right behind you.
Let's keep our distance. Just two fellas out on the road.
Hey, that look like dynamite in the back there?
It looks like we're on to something.
I think I see something. End of the avenue, between the trees.
Might be it. Might be.
Ah, Shady Belle aqui, né?
Hey, big plantation house. Must be Shady Belle. I reckon we can leave our mounts up there, off the trail.
Good enough to me.
Vamos lá, vamos lá.
Are we doing this?
Good work, pal.
Come on. We can get a view on them from that wall up there. Bring your side right. Okay? I'll take the other side. You get in cover there.
Ah, precisa do rifle.
What you see through your scope?
Just a moment.
I'll wait on your side.
You got men covering the house?
Shady Belle, homens protegem a
No
casa.
dynamite crates last evening.
We got something, right?
Oh, we got something. We can hit them head on, fight them honest. Or you could go down there acting friendly.
Friendly. With these folks?
Just draw them into one spot, then I'll start shooting.
Well, that might be the dumbest idea I've ever heard. But hey, I'm always up for a performance. So, what do we do?
Go on in, kid. Give them both barrels drawn.
Wouldn't try anything less. Today is a fine and fabulous day. As all days. And so may it be. Praise be, my people. What do you want? Praise be, my people.
É o que você quer, tem que ser estupidez, né?
Now, I come in peace to discuss the merit of glory and interest you in eternity. Praise be, my people.
Come on, kid.
Now, are you, have you, will you be saved, my brother? Praise be. Huh? Praise be.
I want you out of here now, boy.
And praise be, my people.
Ô, tô acabando com eles, metade. Isso! Conseguimos.
Any men in the area would have heard that. They might be on the way. Now let's grab something and get out.
Sounds like a plan.
Let's search these wagons, okay?
This stuff's too old to bother with.
This one looks good. Search it.
Opa, roubamos uma carroça.
I think we should search the crates, Arthur. Search them.
Here. Come on. This is full of new
Oh,
We can sell those, right?
We sure can. We'll check the rest later. Now, come on.
roubamos uma carroça de rico.
Let's go, let's go. Get this back to camp. Yep.
Yeah.
We need to get these back. You want me to drive off? Here, come on. G up.
Vamos, 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 vamos.
Hey, riders, coming our way.
Okay. Keep a cool head.
What's the black feller doing coming out of Shady Belle? In one of our wagons.
We was doing some business with your brothers back there.
You don't look like any kind of folk we deal with.
Yep. Leonard.
I'm looking, all right? I can't see anyone chasing us.
I should think we're out of the woods then, so to speak.
Ah, conseguimos escapar agora.
Boy, oh boy.
You did good.
We did it.
Well, let's get to camp before saying anything like that.
I know Sean's been bringing in quite a lot lately, and I wanted to... It's good to have something to show like this.
Sean's a loudmouth bragging. Don't worry about what Sean does.
Hey, I like him, you know?
Well, so do I. There's no better judgment. Just, you worry about you. He wasn't on the Leviticus Cornwall's train with me. We had to dig him out of Blackpool.
But
No, but nothing. Me and Dutch,
Todo mundo
and
tem
everyone
porta.
counts. You know what you do for this gang. You notice. Keep it up. You're gonna start seeing things change for you.
okay then. Okay. Thank you, Arthur.
A Fazenda Braithwaite. Os Braithwaite. Vamos lá.
Hey, the camp's in these trees up here.
Let's get there.
Arthur, Lenny, coming back.
Conseguimos grandes rifles, hein?
Right? I'm gonna keep one, just for me. Hey, I always
Hey.
enjoy riding with you, kid. You know,
Valeu,
I'm
Lenny, companheiro.
You too. Anytime, Arthur.
Oh, aí sim, hein? O rifle de ferrolho é forte e versátil, fabricado para ter bombas e então.
I'm still confused by this lawman look.
There she is.
How's things?
Look is red.
Glad to hear it.
Mrs. Adler.
You gonna sit down instead of pacing about the place?
Got you there, tough guy.
Just name the place, my friend. Just name the place.
I bet there's some that's scared by that sort of talk. Hmm? But not me.
Go on, pal. Yeah.
Pô, vou pescar aquele peixe enquanto isso. Vou pescar o primeiro peixe lendário aqui. Isca de rio, isca de lago. Ah, isso aqui.
Let's try something new.
Isca especial de lago. Opa, peguei ele. Deve ser o peixe especial. Tá escurecendo, hein?
No! The line. Damn. Let's see if anything's biting.
Tem que comprar um barco.
Hook.
Peguei ele, peguei ele!
Gotcha. Boy, I damn well got you.
Peguei ele!
I can't put you back.
Você pescou um peixe lendário, vai qualquer gente correr. Fala, tem que ir na gente do correio, legal. Esquilo negro.
How about you keep me company?
Really, Mr. Bell? You flatter me.
Tell me some stories about when you was young and pretty
Ó, senhor da Crunchon.
before time ravaged you.
You horrible man.
That's right. Mm.
I love Dutch. Y'all know that. But we're bad, man. He's still here, Arthur. But you got a guilty look.
What are you talking about?
You okay, Arthur?
Ó, como eu estou pago.
Sometimes you just gotta do really bad things, I guess. Gentlemen, Arthur.
Hello.
Vou descansar enquanto isso. Ai, ai. Hum.
Morning, Arthur.
Tem muito item que eu posso doar ainda pro acampamento. Ah, não. Opa, agora temos um barco acampamento.
Hi, Mr. Pearson.
Good morning, Arthur. Miss O'Shea.
Arthur.
Hosea.
Eu não queria esse barquinho minúsculo. Depois na próxima parte eu vou pescar, vou fazer umas missões aqui. Deixa eu ver um negócio, peraí. Deixa eu ver isso aqui. Salvar o jogo, né?
know. Come on now, boy.
Vamos para Rhodes. Vai chover. Vamos ver os itens a serem pedidos aqui. O que
Well, been a while since you were last here.
take a look. Any questions, feel free not to ask.
Now, let me have a look.
Vamos ver o que tem aqui. Peraí.
Done. Anything else? How's your friend getting on with those new clothes? How's something the ladies should be wearing, in my opinion. But each to their own, I suppose.
I'd be very surprised if you had a lady, my friend.
Well, not right now. But I've had my share. Anyway.
Ah, o Bill pediu brilhantina.
Got what I need. Thanks. Hey, boy.
I don't think you got any idea about the land you walk into. What us raiders gave for it. I seen folk like you before. Always the first to run screaming.
Oh, don't mind me.
That's right. We don't answer to no one.
I don't think you can.
Here's velho.
What you want?
You okay?
Frase em igualdade da história.
No. You look awful.
Awful. Look at me. Useless. I wasn't born to this. I didn't deserve this. I used to be general. Jeremiah Compson.
Jeremiah Compson.
Good for you. If that's anything to boast about.
They took everything from me.
Who did?
They.
And what did they take?
My whole life. A whole way of living a career.
I stole a lot of things, but that's quite a lot to steal.
Look at me here. Living in the shit in the mud.
I'm sorry.
O nome dele é Jeremiah Compson.
My old house. The house my grandfather built. It's all dilapidated and destroyed. Repossessed by the bank.
I'm sorry to hear that.
I was supposed to live a different life.
Me too.
If only I could get my old things back. Personal mementos. Watch. Old pistol.
História antiga.
Where's this house again?
Onde fica essa casa mesmo?
North of
Sítio dos Compson.
Banks is I
Ou
can't
norte de
go near
Scarlett.
it. I'm living rough over by Harris Field.
Leva uma vida
Whenever out that way, I'll
se
see
um dia
what I
eu
can
passar
do.
por lá, vou ver o que eu posso fazer.
Time is hell.
Yep.
I sure appreciate that. I do have a thirst on me.
Vamos comprar uma atividade do Leopold Strolls.
I do have a first for you.
Still don't look quite right.
Gwen Hughes? Stop picking
Gwen
up bottles
Hughes?
for yourself if you don't got that money you owe Leopold Strauss.
I don't. I need more time.
Doesn't everybody? That casket for you? Or you want another?
Wait. I can get it for you. But,
Comprar a atividade do
well,
Strolls.
come with me to the churchyard. And stay close.
All right.
Oh,
Tem um funerário, o caixão aqui.
I mean, I'll get you your money, but, well, you'll see.
What ain't right is borrowing money you can't pay back.
I guess you're correct, but, it ain't exactly right, what we're doing.
You ain't the first to put his hand in the collection box, and you won't be the last. Rest a little easier knowing church has been taking more than they need off poor folks since time began.
Well, like I said, well, the
Muitíssimo,
morality of the matter is a little more confusing than that.
Okay, you head on
A
in the
igreja,
church,
cemitério de
I'll keep
Rhodes.
watch.
Well, it ain't in there. It's under here. I'm digging up Mrs. Claypole. Jesus,
Deve ter aquele
she
bolo.
got a bunch of jewels in there that
Jesus.
she don't need. Oh, damn it. There's a bunch of people here. Oh, I got it. Look, you clear them off, and I'll wait right around here. But don't hurt nobody. We don't want no fuss.
Oh, fala sério.
No one around.
Just my auntie.
Your auntie's long past proof.
You two might want to find somewhere a little more private.
We was fine until you got here, mister. Good day now.
Get out of here, kids. Move!
Come on. I knew we shouldn't have been here.
You missed your chance, boy.
There's still folk here.
Tem gente aqui, né?
Ma'am, would you mind clearing out of here for some maintenance work?
Gladly. It's about time this place got cleaned up.
Retorna até o Green. Nossa.
It's all clear.
All right. Now go watch the gate. I'll get to this, exhumation.
Olha lá, que eu cuido dos visitantes. Exumação.
I'm sorry, ma'am. The church grounds are closed for maintenance work.
Well, it's about time to. Place was in need of some care and attention.
Não posso deixar ninguém entrar.
Hey, look, we're closed for some, excavation work. Would you mind?
No, I ain't gonna mind you at all. You carry on with your business, we'll carry on with ours. This fella.
Oh, damn choir boy. Get the hell out of this churchyard.
There you go, boys.
Are you boys gonna need yourselves to preach? You hear this fella?
I heard him all right.
We're gonna... Don't! Shit! Run along! Let's go, mister. Let's finish this. Shit. Hope this hole's dug.
Well, here's your payment.
Você olha daqui, boy. Nossa, cara.
What you find?
She had a brooch here. Looks like diamonds. Quick, take it before somebody sees us.
This will do. Now get out of here before someone sees you.
Can't believe it's come to this. All right, well, I'm out of here.
Wink, Lucas.
That's
Pra
your
pagar, nossa.
what I owe you.
E os mortos têm direito a descanso.
Here.
You for this. Cadê o Beau?
Stay away from me.
But I got a tip.
That's exactly what I'm afraid of.
Oh, it's a goodie, I'm telling you.
It always is with you. Then we end up heading in a burning barn getting shot at.
You're a sad man, Arthur Morgan. Sad man indeed.
Dormi mais de um dia. Ah, já deixaram a recompensa já.
Karen.
Morning, Arthur.
Good morning, Arthur. You'll work it out, Judge. You always do.
You fine for the other side now?
Nice to see you, lady.
Morning. How are you? That's good.
Olha o meu cabelo brilhantina como fica.
Hey.
Yeah.
Então ficou legal, Lenny.
Take more than that, boy. Whoa, easy.
Caramba.
Oh my. Hello again. Just so you know, it's a few hours before the next collection.
Thank you. Really.
Oh, how are you?
What?
Vamos fazer terminar aquela missão do spray lá. Terminar de entregar a carta pro Beau, né?
Great family business. Coming through. You're good.
Ok.
Hey, mister.
Morning, sir.
Nossa, fazendo os spray bonito, hein? E aí, rapaz?
You got my money?
Sure. Did you give anything? For me?
Yes.
Might
I
have?
mean, yes.
Sure. It'll cost.
Sure, claro. Ah, não quero mais me dar o trabalho.
Thank you,
Aqui,
Arthur.
toma.
You're...
Obrigado, Arthur.
Thank you.
Hey, thank you. Oh,
My God.
my
What
God.
a woman. She's... This'll get killed for sure.
Vou matar ela por causa disso, certeza? O quê?
Around here, they don't
O
even like
sufrágio feminino.
Bring back the monarchy, given half the chance. Progress is a dirty word in these parts. Unlike incest.
Excuse me.
I don't want to marry my cousin Matilda. I want
Não
to
quero me
marry
casar com minha
Penelope.
prima Matilda. Quero me casar com a Penelope.
They'll kill her at one of those rallies they're holding. They've done it before. Mister, you gotta help.
Nossa!
I'm afraid I don't want no part of it.
I'll pay. My family, we still got some money.
Eu pago. A minha família tem um pouco de dinheiro.
Fine.
Tá bem, mais uma vez, mano. Chega de mandar cartas, obrigado. Ainda é melhor irmos. Anda. O que aconteceu, cara? Sufrágio feminino, nossa. Viu?
Easy, boy. Calm down.
Calma aí, Bill.
If we don't get there in time, my true love may be shocked.
If she wants to rally, you gotta let her rally.
Well, good as the cause is, I can't let her become a martyr to
Mostra
it.
pra ela, Felipe Marques.
Marry a flesh and blood woman.
Quero me casar com uma mulher de carne e osso, não com uma estátua em sua homenagem. Bill.
There they are.
Estão aqui, o sufrágio feminino.
Beau, what are you doing here?
O que está fazendo aqui? Leve isso adiante. Ele é da família Braithwaite, né?
You know that.
Do something, please.
What? Fight this
Fazer o quê? Dar com a multidão?
Lady me alive.
Essa mulher vamos me depurar.
They need protecting from
O movimento feminista naquela época.
mostly my family. Penelope, I beg you.
I'll tell you what. Your friend here can drive the wagon for us. It'll allow us to shout all the louder.
Meu Deus do céu.
Miss Calhoun, my friend here says he can drive the wagon.
Olha, Carum, olha lá.
Normally I like to
Olha,
drive
Carum.
myself, but today I feel like a man joining us sends the right message.
Well, I ain't never been in a protest march before, madam.
Well, just treat us like the sheep, and the folks attacking us like the wolves, and I'm sure you'll feel
Olha,
right at home.
Carum, ela
Shall we go? All right, ladies. We know our song is a good one, and we know our cause is a pure one.
Yes, ma'am.
Let liberty reign.
Nossa, cara.
We're mothers, wives, housekeepers, and daughters. We cook the food and we fetch the water.
Nossa, o protesto feminino em Wood.
Now, take us down Main Street, right through town to the steps of the Becker Road, Mr. What was your name?
Arthur Morgan.
Very
Arthur
good,
Morgan.
Mr. Morgan. Not too quick, not too slow. We need them to hear our voice.
Well, they'll hear it all right.
Very good, very good. Mr. Morgan, are you an old friend of the movement?
Roger, Mrs. Calhoun. Maybe a shotgun messenger if it comes to it. I hope it won't.
Our message will be delivered peaceably, Mr. Morgan. You can keep
Devagar, vamos devagar.
to yourself. Stay on Main Street. It's a left up here, Mr. Morgan. Look at these people. It's about to get exciting. I can feel it.
A Penelope tá participando.
Be right.
Good day, Sheriff. I just want to make sure it's a peaceful assembly. Oh, do give it a rest, you sorry fool. Mr. Morgan, I
Os outros todos jogando.
That's a pretty dumb specimen.
O Arthur tá sendo fácil pra isso, né?
A little further, please. Stop just past the back. Those are the steps, Mr. Morgan. Stop in front there, and then all you need to do is listen.
Banco de gol.
This
Ah, meu Deus, ai, confusão, hein?
Ladies and gentlemen, this is a great day for all
Ah,
of
tia Pato dos Mães.
us. Today is the day we begin to live as equals.
Vocês como iguais, tá?
Equals are fair and equal.
This is unnatural.
This is nonsense.
Fair, equal, and free, just as the founding fathers intended.
Founding
Oh,
fathers,
primo de
not
Beau, ó.
founding mothers, you silly old goat.
It's philosophy dependent on biology.
Ei,
doing here,
que
boy?
raio você tá fazendo aqui, rapaz?
Hello, darling cousin.
Olá, primo
Do you ever
querido.
speak to me like that?
Pra falar comigo desse jeito, rapaz.
Listening, I suppose.
Oh, help, Beau. His cousin is the
Ajudar boa, o primo dele é um imbecil.
in this bitch.
Estragaram os
Yourself
cursos
some
lá.
manners, cousin. Haven't you got anything better to do? You always love
Beau,
puppy little.
where we just leave?
Oh, a gente não tava
Who the
saindo.
hell is this?
Quem é esse aí?
Follow me.
Esse fica por aqui, rapaz.
Come on.
Sir, can you not see how idiotic you are?
Come on, Beau. Let's go. Wait now.
We got to go before they think twice. Oh, Lord. Follow me. I know a place. It's an old battlefield
vai,
no
Beau.
one goes to.
Vamos lá.
You don't want to go back and hear the speeches? I ain't voted before, but kind of getting hot for voting rights.
I don't know whether to take you seriously, Mr. Morgan. My cousin's
Senhor
my
Morgan.
primary concern right
Meu
now.
primo não sou minha principal preocupação.
Penelope and me.
Sobre Penelope e eu. Ah, meu.
Penelope and you. I know about Penelope and you, and I've been here all 10 minutes.
Tô aqui tem 10 minutos.
Sooner it's down, sooner it's resolved.
Ah, vou.
Sooner it's
Olha lá.
dealt with, you mean? We're dealt with. Our families, the Grays and the Braithwaites,
Os Greys, os Braithwaite, nós erramos.
we bury them.
E bem fundo. Olha lá, qual é o segredo de vocês?
You know,
E o seu tesouro?
Braithwaite's got a daughter.
A Catherine Braithwaite tem uma filha. Ninguém havia anos. Tinha algo errado por ali. A Penelope disse.
And Penelope said,
É Catherine Braithwaite.
About daughters,
Não ouvi sobre isso.
I heard about gold.
Ouviu sobre o
Yankee
o
gold.
ouro.
I figure that's just the
Ouro
story,
Yankee?
Mr. Morgan.
Acho que não passa de história, Sr. Morgan. Não sei.
This is awful.
Nobody died.
Isso é horrível. Ninguém.
My cousins are vindictive bastards.
Meus primos são
My brothers
desgraçados
are
vingativos.
vindictive bastards. My cousins are worse.
They started it. I know.
Eles que começaram.
You should leave.
Você devia ir
I
embora.
will. As soon as I have enough money with my
Sei que tiver
family.
dinheiro suficiente.
We
Quanto
have
minha família.
I don't.
Nós temos dinheiro, mas eu não.
Family very
É,
rich.
Yes. Well, I believe so.
família é muito. Sim, bom, creio que sim.
They keep me out of the discussions. I have more of a
Eu tenho
artistic
da grana aí, da
so-
grana.
Is that what they call it?
Yes.
É
Oh,
isso.
you made a joke. I really love her. I do.
Well, stick around. Maybe you can die for her as well.
I thought you were trying to make me feel better.
Look, I gotta go.
Me too. Oh, damn! I'm gonna be late.
Oh,
My
droga,
uncle
eu vou
is
me
quite as
atrasar.
bad as you would imagine. Here, your payment.
Toma,
Thank
seu
you.
pagamento.
Excuse me.
Thank you. Obrigado. Você.
Easy there.
Tá que tem dinheiro nessa igreja aqui.
Easy.
E uma antiga igreja, achei ela interessante, não sei bem porquê. Igreja abandonada. Opa! Tem um cacife aqui. Oh!
Yep. Idiot. Easy. Hey.
O que tá acontecendo aqui?
You came back, huh? Now you listen. You try more shit like last time, I shoot you down. That being said, I'm willing to show you how it's done. Last time you got hot under the collar, near had to put you down. What do you say we keep our heads this round?
Won't say no. Let's fire off a few.
Happy days. Just like last time, whoever shoots the most bottles wins. Right, stand alongside me. As soon as you pull your weapon and aim, we let fly. Okay? Go.
You ain't lost to losing, I take it.
Yeah, well, now I'm miserable. All right, let's raise the stakes. Go again, huh? Well, that's what I like to hear. We'll do the birds again. First to knock 4 out of heaven gets the win. Stand close. As soon as you see them, start shooting. Wait for it. There they go now. Shoot!
Tomou um atirador.
All right, then. I'll give you that one. Here you go. As promised.
Thanks, friend.
Careful now. Next time I may not hold back.
You talked a big game, friend. But that weren't good at all.
Please, let's go. I'll let you win. You throw yourself in the lake if I give it my all.
You know, it's one thing to be a lousy shot, but to act like a damn child about it, you're pathetic.
What? You calling me a child?
Yeah.
Não só perder. Vamos lá, vamos lá.
Whoa. Yeah. We were storing powder. Someone dropped a Lucifer, and that was that.
Take cover. Any of you can find and hold.
Desgraçado, me mataram!
Okay, boy.
Get him. Wasn't the blues. We were storing powder here. Someone dropped the Lucifer, and that was that. Where's that, huh? What? Get down to cover now! Well, look at whose path is crossing again.
Agora eu acabei com vocês. Saqueadores de Lemoyne.
Come on, pal. Yep. There we go.
Deixa eu ver um negócio aqui.
Come on now, boy. So up now.
É limpar a arma, né?
Yep. You okay, boy? Hey. Load up.
Cogumelo? Nossa.
Time to go, boy.
Oh, you think you can run off on me? Now, this is a private matter. It don't involve you none.
Get me off the stuff! And you freaks!
Calma aí, eu vou te salvar. Que desgraçado! Que azar do caralho! Uma sussurrando, filha da puta! carro.
Okay there. Easy now. Whoa.
O que ele estava comendo? Ah, carne podre. Abutre careca.
Okay, fella. Yeah. Easy, easy.
Que negócio de uma árvore aqui, galera, tem outra parte do mapa.
There we go. Yeah.
A casa abandonada. Quem que morava aqui? Ah, com certeza uma família de negros. Da jornal do Capitão no Mato, recompensa de $200 aos 1859. Casa já meio antiga e abandonada. Ah, uma cobra passou aqui. Serpente, magazine, cabeça de cobre de sul.
Hey, boy. Yeah. So up now. Easy, whoa.
Opa, aqui tem mais um machado. O assassino misterioso lá. Isso mesmo. Vou usar você para provar alguma coisa, hein? Pista 3 do assassino. Quantos pedaços do mapa coletados do mapa para localizar o esconderijo do assassino? Vamos lá, vamos lá.
Welcome back. I thought you were sweating a little.
Receber correspondência.
Thank you for your help.
Vamos visitar Albert Mason aqui no lago. Fazer a última missão dessa live aqui, gameplay.
Hey, boy.
This man deserves no earthly respect from us. As a sign of respect to our Creator, we pay respect to the dead. Oh, Father, what do we say about a man who lost his way so awfully? He carried that awful war with him, rustling horses with a misguided gang of killers.
Tell us straight, Father.
Sir, we're in a moment of grief. A brave man, undone by pride, doomed to a life of sin and vice.
Oh, paizão.
Hey there, mister.
Hey there! Let us pray for this man, O Father. Provide him mercy. Amen.
Those were kind words, Father.
Maybe. But what good are words?
Awful nice of you to defend a man like that. Foolish, though. Hello, mister.
Hello?
How's things? What?
Pregador. Eu vou ler esse mapa aqui para descobrir. Mapa reconstruído. A localidade do assassino 634. Visto dois assassinos no mapa reconstruímos. Consegue me encontrar? Nossa. Tem várias missões abertas aqui. Vamos fazer o Albert mesmo. Roubou carroça, seus saqueadores.
Come on, pal.
dirige mais uma carroça se levada. Vamos dormir e montar o acampamento aqui perto do pântano. Vamos ver. Ai, ai. Comer pra ficar gordinho. Dormi umas 9 horas.
Let's get up.
Vê que eu anotei no meu diário aqui. Encontrei mais outro corpo. O maníaco está matando essas pessoas por diversão. Acho que vou ter uma visita para ele ou ela. Vou meu cavalo. Canário. Nossa, morreu na hora o jacaré. Nossa! É uma das regiões da área mais perigosas no mapa. Tem jacaré aqui. É uma vida selvagem. Arma.
You all right, boy? Easy. Whoa.
Vamos salvar se acontecer alguma coisa, né?
Yep.
E Albert Mason?
We creep up on you, you know. Mr. Morgan.
Oh, jacaré.
Well, sir,
What are you working on?
do you know anything about alligators?
Only the basics. Avoid them wherever possible.
Well, did you know that in the last 50 years, we've killed 90%?
You say that like it makes you sad.
They're beautiful creatures.
Let's see how you speak when one of them's got you in a death row.
Yes, I will make some creature a very happy lunch one of these days.
Let's try and avoid that from happening today.
Então vamos tentar evitar isso que aconteça hoje. Vamos lá, vamos lá. A gente fotografa o jacaré.
What a way to go.
Why don't we take this boat out, and I'll protect you. Come on, get in the boat, he'll be fine.
If you really think that's necessary.
If you carry on shooting from that bank, you're gonna wish them wolves had eaten you.
Really?
Yes.
Yes.
The 10% who survived, they're the nasty ones.
Vamos lá, boy.
southwest. Going to the northwest there. That's probably where we should look.
Let's go look then.
When we find one, line me up so I can get the shot.
I'll try.
Don't be too close. You'll scare them away.
Close, but not too close. Got it.
Last year, they brought 10,000 skins out of the swamps of Lemoyne alone.
The gators got some catching up to do then.
Cases, trunks. Oh, look.
Oh, jacaré, né?
Boars. If we're in luck, an alligator won't be far away.
I'm saving alligators, but you don't mind that pork chop getting butchered.
Pork chop isn't in danger of extinction. It's got it. Quick, quick. I must get this shot. We caught it. In the middle of his dinner. This is history making, truly. Nature, in all its glory and cruelty.
Could have been you if you stayed on that bank where I found you.
Don't. Okay. So, now it's southwest or due west. You know, in the season, there are more
jacaré pegar o jantar, né?
than alligators.
Maybe you can take a photograph of one of them then.
Very droll. There was even a tour company
Oh,
that
pretty
let
amazing.
excursionists shoot from the deck of a paddle steamer. Chugged up the waterways and churned whole bayous into mud. Thankfully, the state legislature put a stop.
A pedal steamer, huh? Now why didn't we think of that?
Right. There, in the cane rig. That's a likely spot for one. There, in the channel. You see his head? Okay, up there. Line us up to it. Closer now. Closer. Excellent. Beast in repose. All is calm as the predator lurks. The final sighting was to the northwest
Oh, legal.
17 feet, 19 feet, 21 feet with a 5-foot head. What? They found some big bulls in these parts. Surely they did.
There's 20-foot gators here, and us two idiots are sitting in a 12-foot skiff?
No. This is in the 70s, 80s. All the really big gators have been hunted out and killed. For the shame, I say, it's terrible.
Ain't shame to this rolling fool who values his arm being attached to his body. It's them or us, especially with the big one.
Got over to me.
Yes, there. Oh, no, he's gone. Ah! Can you stop the boat just there, off the island?
Sure. When we stop too long, locals are gonna start getting curious.
Just there, please. So I'm facing the landmass. Right. Now look, there's an alligator back in those ponds. Could you run in there and coax him out?
Coax him?
Please.
Fazer sair.
Something. If I could take the fellow's likeness, it might just save him from the taxidermist.
Meu Deus, eu quero fazer o Arthur sair.
Maybe I want this monster stuffed and on display.
Huh, that's the spirit. Out you go then. Get him and get him to notice you, and then turn tail and run. Keep going. Through the palms. Oh, disappeared toward the back of the island. You'll be fine. Just don't step on it.
Que loucura, velho.
Oh, here, boy. Come on, you big dozy lizard. Rouse yourself. Here, gator. Got some juicy fat humans for you to eat.
Nossa senhora.
He's awake. I hope you're slow.
Stop in the boat! In! Caught him! What a specimen!
Nearly got him eating me.
I don't know what I'd do without you, sir. I really don't. We can congratulate ourselves on a job well done, Mr. Morgan.
Trabalho.
Anyway,
Maluco.
I hope you got something worth printing.
Oh, assuredly. The nation will see these beautiful beasts for what they are.
Killing machines?
No. Well, yes. Maybe that's not a bad thing. This is America, after all. We hold a love for killers that borders on macabre. Loving killers is part of our makeup.
Maybe. But usually we wait until after they're dead.
Mas vale a pena essas fotos mesmo, hein?
Ah, yes. Locker here. Just pull up to the bank.
That should
Oh,
do.
que aventura.
Yes.
These pictures you're taking,
Yes.
they gonna be any good?
Lugar boa.
I certainly hope so. Though I doubt it. The subject is magnificent, the backdrop jaw-dropping, but the agent of beauty is a talentless
Mas o
fool.
fotógrafo é um idiota, sim.
Although maybe I'll strike a few lucky shots.
You sure do make me laugh that way you talk.
Você me faz rir.
Mr.
Como
Mason.
faz Sr. Mason.
I'm good for laughing at, if nothing else.
I didn't mean it like that.
I know. Still, I feel such a fool around you, sir.
Me sinto idiota perto do senhor.
I foresaw many an ignominious future for myself, but never damsel in distress.
Well, good luck, Mr. Mason.
Thank you, and to you too, sir.
Try and stay out of trouble.
E não se meter em confusão, Sr. Mason. Arcádia para amadores, parte 4.
Let's go, boy. Get in.
O que tem nessa região aqui? Deixa eu ver.
Hold up. Yeah. Hey. Come on now, boy. Yeah.
Vamos lá. Vamos, 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 vamos.
Hey there!
Essas bandas aqui eu não explorei ainda não. Opa, aqui. Temos um corpo aqui. Vamos lá, vamos lá.
Yep. Whoa, easy.
Hey there, friend. Wanna take the weight off? Fire's good and hot. Mi casa, su casa, friend.
Thanks.
So, you got a girl, mister?
Not anymore.
Me neither. Got my eye on one, though. I was hunting north of Vannesburg when I came across this cabin. There's no one there but this woman. Bit bony, but beautiful as the day is long. Real elegant, fancy tie, too. I see how you like 'em too, friend. Don't know what she's doing out there in the middle of nowhere, but turns out she's a widow. She asked me to leave, but in a real nice way. Made me feel good. I watched her from the bushes for a while, saw her cry. I think this is a place I could really hang my saddle. A hot dinner and warm bed every night. Don't sound bad to me at all. All right, I need to cool down a bit. You know, I can't... Have we met before someplace?
Reckon you must be mistaken.
Hell no. Nuh-uh. This is the last thing I need.
You ain't scaring nobody.
Goodbye.
Será que aqui é a Fazenda Big Farm?
Okay, then.
Minha nossa, o que aconteceu aqui? Nossa.
Time to go, boy.
Deixa eu ver um negócio aqui que... Será que eu passei? Vamos ver. É isso aí.
There we go.
A fazenda Pig Farm é aqui, ó.
Don't be shy, partner. No such thing as a stranger here. Well, you look like you need to take a load off.
Well, ain't this a rare treat? Why didn't you tell me we had guests coming? I'd have fixed myself up nice.
Oh, now you know you look perfect, princess.
Oh, casal Pig Farm.
I ain't no guest, miss. I'm just passing through.
Oh, nonsense. Well, come on in. Rest a while. And we got food on the stove and a bottle of the good stuff we've been saving.
It's decided then. I'm gonna go freshen up.
I appreciate the offer, but I best be on my way.
Oh, come on now. How you gonna turn down a hot meal and good company? I'll go open that bottle. Hey, there he is. Come on in. Come on.
This is, very kind of you.
Don't sweat it, partner. The pleasure's all ours.
Fazenda Pig Farm.
I hope she ain't primping for hours up there. We'll never eat. Go check on her, will you?
Nossa.
Sick sons of bitches.
Well, look who it is. You are hungry, ain't you?
I didn't mean to intrude, miss.
It's all right. Looking ain't a crime. You go on and have a seat at the table. I'll be down in a minute.
I found some bones in an armoire. What's that about?
Oh, you met Mama? She always did love visitors. We like to keep her here with us. And there was me thinking you was the bashful type.
Mamãe.
Hey, slow it down there. Plenty of time for that.
Sheila, be down in just a minute.
That is what I like to hear. Now pull up a chair, partner.
Vamos lá, eu sei o que tá acontecendo aqui.
This is about perfect. One of them months you wish could last forever.
Well, like I said, I can't stay for long.
Now look at us, like a couple of old friends. Ah, it's a short life, but a merry one.
Here we are, all the fixings. I hope you boys left some room in your trousers.
That smells delicious. The food don't smell too bad neither.
Oh, stop it, you!
Oh,
How do you like
okay.
it?
It's good. Different.
That meat is so tender. You know what? This place used to be a pig farm when we were
Quando a gente era potente mortos.
before we lost our mind. Oh, horrible
Minha
business.
mamãe e papai.
Horrible.
We still got each other, ain't that right, honey pie?
And we still know how to have a
A
hog
cara do
killing
arco.
time.
Nossa!
Here, that's for you.
Yeah.
There.
Where are my manners?
Isso, né?
Drinks.
Yeah, I could definitely use a drink.
That stuff will put hair on your chest.
Oh, I doubt he needs that. Let's loosen you up some more. Come on, honey.
I appreciate the hospitality, folks, but I best be on my way.
No, already? I thought we was gonna have some fun together. Oh.
Okay, there's welcoming, and then there's whatever you two are.
Love thy neighbor as thyself, partner.
Oh, he's just a boring old stick in the mud.
Yeah.
A segunda vez é quando eu vim visitar você, eu vou acabar com vocês também. Então vamos ver seus malucos. Bom, chega de hoje, né, galera? Descansar agora. Vamos lá, vamos lá.
Hey, Arthur. What are you doing?
Selling it back to where it came from.
Why?
I ain't got a market for it. They made
Começar essa missão do nada.
someone to sell it to. Stuff look kind of lonely out here. I think we'll cut ourselves a deal.
I get you.
You and Dutch was just doing your duty when you... requisitioned it.
Essa é a última missão dessa.
All right. I should get going now. I'll leave you fellas to it. Good luck.
Thank you, John. We'll see you later. Dutch asked him to look into something to do with the Braithwaite horses, I think.
Oh, okay.
Fazenda Braithwaite, nós vai.
Okay, let's head out to the Braithwaite's place. You know the way?
Yeah, I've been there. So, what exactly are we doing? This is the moonshine we took after blowing up the
moonshine.
Braithwaite still, right?
I think the good citizens... Oh! Who's driving who here? Taking the trouble to return their stolen goods deserves some reward, don't you? And it's time we made a formal introduction, like Dutch told us.
Como disse o Dutch. Olha lá.
These are two big old plantation houses. And all I keep hearing is they hate each other so much they can't see past it.
I know. I've seen it. There's a gray boy.
Great, uma moça dos Braithwaite. Então, é um romance secreto.
I've been, well, helping.
The mind boggles. You think they're abused?
Sure. They don't
Ou
seem
seja,
too
não
hard.
parece envolver-se com tudo isso, mas talvez. A Fazenda Braithwaite.
I'm sure there's money in this for us somewhere if we can get in the middle of it.
Oh, all right. Here we are.
Modest little homestead, isn't it?
Uma propriedade pequena e modesta, não acho? Opa, é grande.
What's that in the back there? Moonshine, my fine fellow. May I have a word with the man of the house?
The man of the house.
O homem da casa
Mrs. Catherine Braithwaite.
May
é a senhorita Catherine
I want
Braithwaite.
to discuss a business opportunity. I mean no harm.
Catherine Braithwaite. Não. De forma alguma, pode atirar em mim se vier. Olha lá.
Okay. Okay. She's at the house.
Catherine Braithwaite.
We'll be watching
Então é a
you.
propriedade da casa.
You heard the man. Driver, proceed, please.
Vamos nos apresentar a informalidade, que eu conheço os Braithwaite.
What you want? Found something. On the hills. Thought maybe you was in the market for it.
For what?
Some liquor.
I ain't in the market for it's already mine.
The way we see it, it's ours. But with us possessing it, and I checked all over. For the life of me, I couldn't see your name on it. Oh.
Ah, Catherine Braithwaite.
Rob
Ó,
you? Oh, it seems that's easy enough.
embora pareça bem fácil.
What do you sell that stuff for?
Por quanto você quer vender essa
Here's 50 cents.
$1?
It's
Então eu não sei se...
ours.
Mas já é nosso.
Reward for finding the property. Alternative is we go sell it someplace else.
The alternative is you get shot.
A alternativa é você levar...
To get shot over a bottle
Quem
or
quer
two
levar
of
tipo
liquor.
umas 2 capas de pica?
Pay the man.
Pegue o homem. Ó,
Business with you.
é um prazer fazer negócio com você. E escuta, nós não tomamos nada. Pelo menos não sei as ordens.
Your orders.
Quem deu as ordens? O velho xerife Gray. Ó,
I don't want it. In fact,
eu não quero. Na verdade, você pode me fazer um favor.
there's an extra $10 if you do.
Eu lhe dou $10 a mais, caso faça.
Head over to the
Leve
town
tudo para o
hall,
gol.
Mr. Gray, and give the stuff out for free. Mama, hush now. I believe they call that
Quietos.
promotion.
Ele que seja chamado de gasto promocional.
As you wish, madam.
You boys come back sometime and tell me how you
Olhe,
made
depois
out.
de um tempo, me diga
Maybe
como
we'll
foi.
play a little cribbage.
Ah, Catarina Braithwaite, né? Não botou nada.
The Road Saloon.
Here we go.
I finally sold those Cornwall bonds. Got close to 1,000 for them.
Consegui quase $1 por ele.
Considering how hot they were, especially after that bloodbath in Valentine.
No, not bad at all.
Apparently, Cornwall's been pumping a lot of cash into the Pinkertons.
Anda injetando monte de dinheiro nos Pinkertons.
And going after gangs. Gangs like us.
Yeah.
Gangues como a nossa.
That don't surprise me.
Alright. These could get ugly. You and Dutch already have that thing going on in town.
Até aquela história lá na cidade com o xerife. É o Sr. Gray.
Inserting ourselves in his
Estão na guerra entre famílias deles. É.
We'll need some.
I ain't playing, Justin. You know how I feel about that.
Of course,
Sabe o que eu acho disso?
you're a clown's idiot.
Oh, eu serei o irmão. Irmão Alceia, por favor.
You're the idiot. Just look sad and keep quiet. Even you can do that, Arthur.
Oh, I have to.
Put this head on.
Oh,
Smoke
Arthur.
this pipe. Bring your lip forward just a bit. Squint. Oh.
Ah, vai ser um idiota.
You can't. You're an idiot. What? Bro, poor mammy's hot. There. There. Don't get
Shiny. Nossa, chegamos aqui ao local.
Okay, friend, stick on now. For Mama, she loved you so. Just a shame you had to strangle her in a rage, right? Grab 2 cases of that stuff and follow me.
Certo, velho? Então, olha lá. Nossa, o ridículo, o chapéu do Arthur, tá?
Gentlemen! Quite the town here. We just rode in from up north. Hey, hello! Hello, I'm
O Melvin. Melvin, ó lá.
Don't mind him, don't madden him. He's turned idiot. Killed our mother, but it weren't his fault. How do you boys like a couple of bucks? I bet you would. One for each of you. We're in the new trade of advertising, which is an American art form about ensuring people buy the correct things. I don't know. One more dollar. Just give us half an hour. What can we do with half?
Vai lá em meia hora. Ah.
Now, enjoy the money! Come along, friend.
Vamos lá, então, só distribua a bebida.
Gentlemen! Gentlemen!
Cavaleiros, cavaleiros.
That's my brother Finn. He's a
Melvin, você tá passando por Melvin.
he pour drinks fast. For the next 30 minutes, the drinks in this here bar, in this here town, are entirely free. The only rule is that you
Oh, totalmente de graça.
put old Finn to work. Don't get him mad, though. His mama made
Eu
him
não
mad.
aborreço.
We
A mamãe dele eu aborreço.
Poor thing.
Coitada. Vendo, ó lá. Oh! Eu não vai colocar nada disso lá. Esses homens estão secos. Escureceu, anoiteceu, ixi, olha lá. Tá todo mundo bêbado. Todo mundo cai nos cachaços. Oh não, saqueador Lemoyne. Chegaram.
Good evening, gentlemen. Quiet libation.
You!
Me?
You're the bastards who stole the liquor we was gonna buy.
Gentlemen, we're in
Gente,
advertising.
senhores, estamos no ramo de propaganda.
That's our goddamn liquor.
Roubaram a bebida lá.
Boys, get 'em!
Pode ela atrás de pinga. Peraí. Vamos fugir, vai.
Ain't gonna let this go,
Got more coming after us.
I see.
Shoot them then.
Engraçado, não para.
I see it. Made it. Good shot. Think you can steal from us? You're dead men. Now, move, you damn bastards. Like, how many are there? They really are. Keep on it, Arthur.
Caraca, velho.
See any more of them?
Don't think so. Jesus, all this over a few bottles of booze?
I reckon it's more they don't want another gang on their patch.
Eles não querem outra gangue na região.
Okay. Pull off the rope here.
Caraca, velho, que tenso.
All right. We're good.
Yeah. Remind me never to take up a career in... What was it?
Advertise.
Yeah. You think that woman set us up?
No, I don't think so.
Não, acho que não, Catarina Braithwaite.
This place is odd.
I keep seeing those fellas.
Some local militia. Clearly not too happy to have some new competition.
Eu também não estou feliz com os nossos
I'll go
concorrentes.
visit old Ma Braithwaite.
Vou visitar a velha mãe Braithwaite.
We've been making money. The chest is
Estamos
filling
ganhando
up
dinheiro.
again, slowly but
Bom,
surely. Part of me thinks we just get ourselves good and lost. But we still need a lot more money before that can happen. So, for now,
dinheiro, né?
let me go give old Mrs. Braithwaite some of this moonshine.
Braithwaite pouco desse moonshine, como
Let's call it a
bem,
peace offering.
oferta de paz.
That was fun, Finn. We'll make an actor of you yet.
I'll go speak to Dutch.
Vendo, eu vou falar com o Dutch.
So, what do you think?
Então, o que tá achando?
Fine folks
O
around
quê?
this part.
Das pessoas. Tá muito boas, Dutch.
On the one side, we've got the Gray.
De um lado temos a família Gray.
Degenerates, drunkards,
Escoceses,
local law. You
degenerados,
couldn't make this stuff up. Rich as creases. And on the other,
ricos como
your mortal enemies,
do outro lado,
the
os seus inimigos
Braithwaites,
mortais.
moonshiners, hypocritical, both
Fabricantes de
rolling,
moonshine hipócritas,
believe.
In gold. And in the middle
em
of
ouro.
it,
E no meio de tudo ainda tem
retelling
uma
of Romeo
versão
and
incestuosa de Romeu e Julieta.
So what the boys
Exatamente.
thinking?
We try to rob them.
Tentamos roubar os dois. Olha lá.
You sure? Why
Tem certeza?
Because we
Por que
got
não?
lawmen in 3
Porque
different
há
states
homens da
after
lei em
us.
três cidades diferentes atrás da gente.
Get us into trouble, but we need money. Now we have the opportunity here to put ourselves in the middle of something.
Roubar as
we
suas
wasn't
famílias.
gonna know we was here because even without us, these fools are gonna kill each other anyway.
Okay, well, Jose's gone back to see
Certo,
that
vamos,
Braithwaite.
o Zé vai fazer uma visita você tá naquela
Jay
vez,
should
velho.
definitely
Bora.
take the lead on this. I sent Sean over to Braithwaite Manor too.
Quando eu chamo a
You
mansão
can meet up
Braithwaite
with
também.
them, or join John and Javier at the
Juntar o
Gray's
John,
place.
o Javier lá na Fazenda dos Gray.
Braithwaite's prize horses.
How the hell did we get in at the Gray's place?
Sheriff Gray kindly put in a word with his father. It ain't that complicated.
O xerife Gray, olha lá.
Convince each family that we're on their side.
É, cada lado que estamos no lado deles.
Before they figure
Legal.
out it was us that done it, and not the other lot, we'll be long gone. Think of
Já
it
estamos
as
bem longe.
payback for my daddy.
Payback.
Ok, Dutch.
I ain't in the revenge business, Dutch. Least of all for something happened a long time ago.
Well, I guess we all gotta pay for something.
Já 3 horas de live. Já tá na hora.
I got to write a letter.
Damn drunk.
Evening, Arthur.
You boys mind if I sit down a while? Been a tough few weeks.
É isso aí, Arthur.
I know I've been kinda mad with you all. I'm sorry, okay? I'm sorry, but I want to get out of here. Everybody in here, they gone crazy. I'm just trying to keep things together. Sometimes it gets hard. Guess I'm struggling.
Arthur.
Just
Acho que estou.
find a path forward for us all. Same as Dutch, same as Hosea. I don't want to die. But if I have to,
Olha o
I
Arthur
will.
conversando.
So, forgive me, all of you.
Hey, fellas. Arthur Morgan. Good to see you.
Nossa, cara, esse diálogo eu não conhecia não, é secreto, hein? Vocês viram? O Arthur revelando.
Hey, boy. Yeah.
Hello, Arthur.
So,
Toma.
holding that fountain pen
Vou seguir
for
aquela caneta inteira pra você.
You,
Toma.
Arthur? Here. Please take this. It's something I acquired along the way.
Vou terminar como sempre jogando poker.
Can't teach me to suck eggs, gentlemen.
My brother taught me to play this during the winter in Vienna. I never beat him once.
Ai, ai.
Good.
Here's this.
Huh.
Very good.
No.
Here you go.
Men can't lie for shit.
Uh-huh. All right.
If I'm gonna play.
Ah, crap.
All right. All in.
Hoje eu vou postar tudo.
Right, I suppose.
The moment of truth.
That there's
What?
real pretty.
There must have been other variables.
All right. Happy day.
Now, let's see if you can stay awake for this, Reverend.
I'm fine, Mr. Morgan, though I could beat you with my eyes closed.
We'll see about that.
Eventos, awesome.
I'm a check.
No.
Come on, let's get this thing moving a little.
No, no.
Milk sop.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
Já desistiu?
Oh, I checked.
I don't think.
Well, this'll do.
What are you up to?
Just a little wager.
Oh, hell.
How about this for now?
That's all I got.
Well then.
I'll see you. Forgive me, it's all I can afford.
You don't go for it, you won't get much back.
You big blouse.
Here, how about this?
What are you up to? Read and weep.
I ain't got much.
That's more like it.
Oh, that's fair enough.
Look at that! I got someone in my corner.
Que cagada esse cara.
I hear they have a blackjack table in Rhodes. I think a visit might be in order.
Whatever you say.
All right, what you got?
Here you go.
I say bluff. You're bluffing.
How about this for now?
I think... No way, you're bluffing.
Com tudo ou nada, vai.
What do you say to that?
Man, I got lucky.
Trap.
Yeah, yes!
Look it up.
Always another game.
Come to me.
Oh, somebody should fetch more water from the lake.
Check.
Here's this.
Keep those purse strings tight, do you?
Well, this'll do.
Ah, crap.
Huh? All right. Oh, turn in the corner.
Call.
Here.
I'ma see you.
I'll bet this.
Okay then.
Here.
Not much of a bet.
Bluff, bluff all through.
Right.
Here you go.
Ah, to hell with this.
Umdy-dee. That I'll live with.
Nunca ganha essa porcaria desse jogo todo.
Damn.
Sorry about that.
Um valete, um 10 aí sim.
I got a bid for you.
No. I'ma play slow.
Keeping it close for the moment.
Oh, bride cometh.
Here, just a little.
Keep those purse strings tight, do you?
Call.
Read and weep.
There. Nothing.
Okay.
Well, I guess I ain't beating that.
Not bad. Not bad.
You're starting to annoy me.
Well, I think Tilly wanted to play dominoes, if that's more your pace.
This is... shit.
All right, then.
I'm done.
Ah, vai descansar, galera. Caramba. Descansar depois desse longo dia.
Kieran.
Morning, mister.
Morning. Morning.
Mansão Braithwaite, Península Crimes. Eu conheço algumas mulheres já, Sherman. Catherine Braithwaite não é uma delas. Isso é uma proibida da senhora Penelope, que já tudo mais que encontramos nessas bandas. Bom, galera, eu vou salvar o jogo aqui. Ai, um monte de história. Ai. A gente continua na próxima parte. Deixa eu salvar aqui. A gente se vê na próxima parte. Então, galera, obrigado por vocês terem acompanhado até aqui. Não se esqueçam, quem quiser apoiar o canal, ajudem, curtam. E a gente se vê no próximo episódio de Red Dead Redemption 2, beleza? Valeu, galera, um forte abraço. Vou nessa. Fui.